Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can lock apps on your iPhone using screen time. What you need to do is just open your iPhone settings, then tap on screen time, scroll down and create your screen time passcode. To create it, tap on use screen time passcode. Then set a screen time passcode. Then after you're done, tap on app limit. Then add limit. Enter your screen time passcode. And select the apps you want to lock. For this example, I'm going to choose Reddit. Then tap on Next. Set a time limit. You can also customize days. And after you're done, tap on Add. Now my Reddit app is already locked. I spent more than 1 minute in the app today. If you want to increase limit, then tap on Ask for more time. Enter a screen time passcode. And you can increase it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or the whole day. That's how you can lock apps on your iPhone using screen time. Thank you for watching.